Get on the ground now! Out! Come on out! Right back here, guys!
4 guys tried to rob a Brink's truck, and it turned out to be the last robbery of their lives. Let's check it out. A Brink's employee was shot during an attempted ATM robbery in Cleveland. The suspects fled the scene, leading police on a chase that ended in a crash.
He's saying the shooter had a jacket on that was white up top and light blue on the bottom.
That's 167.
There it is.
And I think
We got it at 169 and those are going north on 169 towards Lakeshore. Eastbound on Lakeshore. Eastbound on Lakeshore. You have permission. We have permission to chase.
Radio 1014.
1014. Light it up. Brian, you close?
We just hit a car.
Trying to get back. Where was the last team?
Go.
Oh.
get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! I got a chopper in the air, you ain't going nowhere! Get on the ground!
This guy makes the smartest decision here, he just complies.
Hands behind your back. Behind your back.
Drop that.
You got any weapons on you? Yeah, no. Exactly.
No weapons. No weapons. Not me. No weapons. Okay.
Get up.
Okay, bro.
Uh-oh.
Get up.
Is that me?
Get up.
Accident already. I'm on the highway.
Can you get my money?
And he broke his phone.
Got my mag.
Where at? Okay.
Oh, God. Can you get my money?
It's not your money.
Yes, it is.
R2 already.
They still need to confirm that the money actually belongs to him after everything that happened.
Yo, I'm on the highway with that.
Can you get my money? Please.
Okay, emergency call, okay?
Huh?
.1029 East 172, continuing eastbound. One of them's got red underwear on. He's headed north. Still headed north. He's around here somewhere.
Do they really think they can just hide from the cops? That's hilarious.
Over to 176 maybe. And yeah, 176 and not in here. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I got 176 and not in here. Get on the ground! Gotcha!
Do you have one detained or where is 176? Do you have one in custody?
One in custody.
Try.
Palms together. Like you're praying.
This is going to be the one with the red underwear. There's another
All right,
one
roll him
right
out
in
of
front
sight.
of him.
On your side,
I
bud.
don't know where he went.
On your side. Any weapons on you?
Yo, any weapons on you? Roll over. Turn over. Hey, Little, sit with that car. Go to the Durango and sit with it. Go to the Durango and sit with it. Sit up.
You got 3 more.
Stand up.
This way.
The officers are handling this extremely professionally.
Which way they go?
They're around here somewhere. There was one right in front of him. All black. But he's the one I saw with the red underwear. How old are you?
Oh, there's the male at 1024.
1074 East 176th. He's in that area. Come on out! Come on out! Come on out! I got another one, just one north of 1024 East 176. Come on out!
This officer definitely has a lot of experience tracking down suspects like this.
Right back here, guys! Don't you fucking move. Put your hands behind your back. Right here. Right here. Yep. I got him out here. I need cuffs. Man, we've been looking for you guys for a while.
Hurry up, Brian.
Right here. Put your hands together and palms together like you're playing.
Yeah, go to your car. Hey,
All right, bud.
if you see anything under here, call us, okay?
Roll over to your butt. I'm gonna sit you up, okay? Is there anything under there?
No.
No pistols, nothing? All right.
Being a police officer is incredibly dangerous. Any day on the job could be your last.
I'm gonna advise you your Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say
okay?
can
Where
will
are
be
you?
used against you. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you. Do you understand those rights? Yeah. What's your name, man?
Which way, Tia?
What's your name? All right. Well, we're gonna have another charge to everything that's going on, man.
Okay. That's fine.
I got him right here in the field. I need somebody by myself.
Where's she
You
at?
got to run back to these fences. Why are you on the other side?
Can you hold on to him? I'll go with her.
Yeah.
Keep him.
What field, Tia?
You have to guess the hood.
She's football field.
Thanks for watching, hit the like button if you wanna see more videos like this.